How to use the verb to be. How to use the verb to be. In English, the verb be can be either verb or auxiliary. In English, the verb be can be either verb or auxiliary. As a main verb, as a main verb. With a name, to talk about a characteristic. With a name, to talk about a characteristic. Sam is very tall. Sam is very tall. My mother was a teacher. My mother was a teacher. Sam is very tall. Sam is very tall. My mother was a teacher. My mother was a teacher. This cake is very tasty. This cake is very tasty. The children were good. The children were good. Paul and his wife are from New York. Paul and his wife are from New York. The flowers are on the table. The flowers are on the table. As an auxiliary. As an auxiliary. To make the continuous form with ing. To make the continuous form with ing. They are eating. They are eating. It had been raining for hours. It had been raining for hours. To do the passive voice. To do the passive voice. It's broken. It's broken.